against the sky, where nothing ever grew, they say, and winds would only cry upon its face a lonely stare, carved by the ice and rain. I was that rock beyond repair and couldn't feel the pain. But then a fault line deep inside my love began to gleam. You were the secret I couldn't hide, the truth within the dream. And now that I found you there, I'm terrified to know the deeper that I dig for you, the more the cracks will show. They will, my friend. Baby, you're the vein of gold that runs right through the stone, a burning, precious fire in a place that's only known the cold. To me, you are the only light my heart has ever owned. Yes, the vein of gold that runs right through this stone makes me My love from you is a strange thing. It makes the granite weep. It is the sudden warmth of spring that wakes me from my sleep. To me, you're like a growing fire that I can't put away. You are my one and true desire at the closing of the day. But did you know that when it's cold,